In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a photo inside a circle frame in Canva. First, open Canva and head into the design you want to work on. This could be a social post, a presentation slide, a flyer, anything you're already creating. Once your design is open, look to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top of Elements, type Frames, then select the Frames category. You'll see a variety of shapes, but for this project, choose the simple circle frame. Click and drag the circle onto your canvas. You can resize it by pulling on the corner handles, and you can move it by clicking and dragging the frame into position. If you're designing for a profile image or a clean, modern layout, keeping the circle centered and large enough to showcase your subject usually looks great. Next, it's time to bring in your photo. Click on Uploads in the left-hand panel, then click Upload Files. Pick the image from your computer and wait a moment for it to finish uploading. You'll see a thumbnail appear in your Uploads library once it's ready. If your photo is already in your Canva library, you can use it right away without re-uploading. For best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image so it stays sharp when you scale it. Now, place the photo into the circle. Click and drag the uploaded image over the circle frame. When you hover on top of the frame, you'll notice the image snaps into place. Release your mouse, and Canva automatically crops the photo into a perfect circle. This is a quick way to get that clean, masked look without having to manually cut or crop your picture elsewhere. To fine-tune the look, double-click on the circle. This opens the adjustment view for the image inside the frame. Click and drag the photo to reposition the subject. Center a face, shift the background, or move the focal point where you want it. Use the resize handles or the zoom slider to scale the image inside the frame so it fills the circle nicely without cutting off important details. When you're happy with the placement, click outside the frame to lock it in. You can also resize the entire circle by pulling on its corners or move the frame anywhere on your canvas to fit the layout. If the image appears blurry, try reducing the frame size slightly or switch to a higher resolution photo. That's it. Your photo is neatly cropped inside a circle frame, ready to use in your design.